You are not moving.
Fuck.
Well, we're
Go for it.
in a little bit of a predicament. I got stuck in some water, a puddle I've never been stuck in before, and I cannot move forward or backward. So Sam's gonna try to go around and pull me out.
Locking.
Yes. Now?
That was the call.
Oh, that's some mud. Now he's going to attempt to tow me out the front. And we're going to take advantage of those tow points I've got.
Good attention.
I'm ready.
I'm taut now.
Okay, this is not working.
This is not working.
Okay, so towing me out didn't even work, like, a little bit. So now the plan is Sam is going to turn his rig around and he's going to anchor himself to a tree. And then we're going to try to use a snatch block and his winch to tow me out with that tree as an anchor. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Okay, so Sam, my man, has turned himself around.
I'm going to go straight line first. I don't think we'll be able to, I don't think I'll have enough line for a snatch block, but what do you think?
Yeah, let's start straight line and see how we do.
Okay.
So Sam is anchored, and he's going to now attempt to winch me out. I've been in the mud now for probably about 10 minutes, and I'm really thinking through every gasket and breather hose line that I've installed on this vehicle and really hoping I've done a good job. Because a brief puddle is one thing, but to just sit in this stuff, especially with the temperature gradients, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so Sam has me hooked up with the winch. It's a 1,200 pound winch, and things were going well initially. And right as he got tension, I started to move. We were pretty excited, and now his winch has stopped working. We opted out of using the snatch block to begin with because we figured try it, and then if we need it, we could try. But now he's getting some sort of red light on his winch, and it will not detension. Not only that, he is anchored to the tree behind him. So we are now all under tension. And if we can't release this winch, we're just kind of stuck here in limbo. So might be time for me to try to brave getting out of this vehicle. I cannot open the driver's side door because it is below the water line, but there's potential that I can open the passenger side. But currently he's on his phone trying to Google what this is, what this means. And it looks like he's also peeing. So, a man of many talents. But he's walking back, so I will fill you in more when he gets back. Okay, so the Googles says that
We have tension and everything now, so we're fucked.
Yeah. So the Googles say that his something is wrong with the power going to the winch. It believes that it's not getting enough power. Could be something with the battery, or it could be something electric with the terminals. Maybe the brushes for the motor. He's trying to cycle the vehicle now. He's coming back. We'll see if that worked. Okay, he cycled the vehicle. We were able to release tension. So no matter what, even if I have to leave my vehicle in the puddle overnight, we can separate Sam's vehicle and drive out of here somewhat. But what we are now doing is we are attempting to pull me out with the snatch block. So maybe there was some sort of too high of a load or something, triggered an error, so hopefully the snatch block will relieve that. Ready? Woo! Sam, you got me out. Thank you, my good man.
You're well welcome, sir.
Thank goodness for the fucking winch.
So this is where Sammy was anchored. This is how he was able to pull me out. Gonna remove the tension. You're good.